Hey yo, this your boy LOX. West Bears. Hey yo, the Cypher King, the Mr. War. I call this freestyle Life After Cypher. So check it out.
Yeah, this not Life After Cypher. No get car, no get cash, no get host, no get snatty for offer. This not Life After Cypher. Cypher King still the suffer. Me bread still not gets any butter. This not Life After Cypher. After Cypher, after Cypher. This not Life After Cypher. Check it out. LOX. This a Life After Cypher. Fiba like mess, like where baby shit pan diaper. No one to trust, so I go out for the paper. Those things are tough, I still I thank God for the offer. With this talent that you gave to me, I now go suffer, Lord, I thank you, I appreciate. This was a trial in my life, but I keep the faith. Respect to fans and way they courage me, say then they wait. We must overcome, who way first can go flop with plate. Let me sensitize all those idiots who don't know the truth. After the competition, this what I'm going through. Mommy say, Lux, you made it, people are proud of you. No time to waste, hit the point by the count of 2. Well recognized, so do what you wanna do. Really, I'm not losing it, I'm laughing as I'm saying it. People are just hypocrites, hide their hatred underneath. The same people who praise me, now them back laugh, waiting on sweet. Saying no church words against me, like bigger man a street. But I give a damn, all me focus now for make a hit. Still live the slum life, I'm happy with the slum life. Who feels it knows it, so I'm cool with the slum life. Fighting different battles spiritually with my whole life. Since I signed a deal, AYV team never stood by me. I'm all alone in the jungle, no one helping me. When last they ask, so go care me to check on me. With all the delayers, my fans to believe in me. Started from gas to grace, take thoughts to different place. See so many faces, and some fine, cute and ugly face. Get a nice now all these parts, see all kind colorways. Experience a lot, for me better me at Kanga Ace. For every moment in my life is a fresh beginning. Oh Lord forgive them cause they do not know what they are doing. One thing about me, I'm too brave to miss where I'm going. Life is a journey and every journey do have ending. Thanks for your platform and your cheap popularity. Never will your action ever change my simplicity. I know who I am, I'm a soldier with authority. The talent that I have will one day rescue me from poverty. For make I really, easy for me down the slum. The place I'm from, I survived by the kingdom come. That will be done, absolutely nothing change my form. I'm still the king, Cypher best, I'm the heavy storm. Nothing goes for nothing, everything is foreign exchange. Rate my life to others, I do not even have chicken change. 10 million is big, but too small, so buy me a range. Check the life I live, after Cypher really nothing strange. I wanna cry but I console myself. Nobody cares so I stand and embrace myself. If I should choose who the best is, I will choose myself. Nobody better than me, so respect yourself. All I seen a tragedy, every day I sleep and wake. But me not the hero, way breeze, not the able shake. Now I'm off the chain, I'm a free man, like prison break. Take a look at me, somebody rescue me for God's sake. After the Cypher, I've been feel something go happen well. Feel say I dare na heaven, below a boss na hell. The place is really boring like prison cell. So many people recognize me as a superstar. But what is wrong with my life as a superstar? Perhaps I need forsake the super and to ready start. But oh no, where I'm from, so this place is far. Bobo na bobo, bra na bra, so respect the bra. I'm flying high with no wings like the flying rockets. How do you expect me to roll with nothing in my pockets? I want for make me mama proud and flop all in baskets. Want for live like a free man with no one to target. Proof, only the strong survive, that I do believe. Promise to be your brother's keeper, but you still deceive. Nowadays people don't want give, but they want receive. Dream Jenski die po, what wanna die or live. Welcome to my hood, call it slum, my community. Life is really worse, still not sweet for majority. Tell me now who's them, we go bounce out of poverty. Show the difference out, let the world see maturity. My mind is made up, let me go, do not draw me back. Now I know a man don't waste, not get any track. How them go rate me among best when I'm off the track. But still me name they play from free tons, they go for my lap. Fans then they get a nice, anytime I locks the rap. Also I prove I'm waiting left, but when me not do. The featurings and all the track I made out of you. I still the hustle for me living like the gangster do. Check me, I check you back. Fuck me, I fuck you too. I used for beer, all kind weather, cause nothing is new. Now waiting day, ben pa rap, well locks you no know. From Cypher days set to now, me goodness the show. The Bible talk and you go reap whatever you sow. Something what happen now you life, keep her on the low. I know the love we fans they show me for me victory show. One symbol life today now you tomorrow na me. Appreciate God now you life for anything we be. That God will rescue all the Israelites to set me free. Free from slavery and start for make history. I get all rights and evidence for Sudan and court. But fuck that shit, I not get cash for facing court. Not get no side for lay complaint, so I set me mouth. Bless you, wake up for you, I lie, know they jump the mouth. Let them run the mouth. Life after Cypher,
Yeah, I know Jassy Josie on the mix.